Self-driving vehicles, delivery robots, and AI assistants are set to become ubiquitous in our lives in the coming decades. But how will such diverse systems with distinct goals communicate to operate harmoniously? Combining philosophy, AI, and robotics, the eMERGE project aims to foster among artificial entities a representation of shared existence, environment, and objectives called collaborative awareness. This collaborative awareness will enable autonomous cars from different manufacturers to seamlessly communicate and prevent accidents, logistics systems to coordinate their movement to work in the same space, or medical AI software trained for different tasks to cooperate towards the treatment of an illness.
What we want to achieve with the eMERGE project is to develop a new framework for artificial intelligence systems that integrate several dimensions. So on the one hand, it's the robotic and perception capability. On the other hand, is the learning capabilities, but also the ethical aspect, and do so within a single framework that will ultimately allow to develop the next generation of intelligent applications that are more sustainable and more safer for the human to interact.
In industry, eMERGE's collaborative awareness will allow robotic systems to adapt to the unstructured conditions found in the real world, decreasing deployment and maintenance costs, as well as increasing system robustness and interoperability. Collaborative robots, for example, are designed for use in close proximity to humans to automate repetitive and labour-intensive activities, increase efficiency, and workplace safety.
However, there are some open challenges that prevent the entering of this full entering of this system into the production line. One of these is that you find very many different collaborative robots on the market, and it's very hard to make them interact one with each other. So one very direct outcome of eMERGE would be to give to these systems the capability of interacting and coordinating on a common task without forcing the buyer to have everything from the same system and the same producer.
Robots have also been gaining importance for warehouse processes, where they can perform a multitude of tasks, such as transport, storage and retrieval, inspection, and many others.
We're really excited about robot swarms because we think they'll be usable out of the box. You'll get your robots, you take them out of the box, and then they'll start working together for things like logistics, delivering items around a city. But the challenge is, how does this swarm become something that's usable by humans? And so we need to make these systems aware so that we can monitor them, control them, and make them work better.
Collaborative awareness will transform not only robotic systems, but also all kinds of applications which involve providing a service over a collective of entities, both physical or virtual, such as the Internet of Things, smart cities, transportation, and many others.
Our work in eMERGE, it will allow us to surpass the current limitation of the classical Turing-based framework, where you have like a separation of computation and memory, by enabling fast and sustainable brain-inspired computation.
eMERGE also investigates the ethical implications of collaborative awareness, especially as it concerns differences in moral responsibility, guiding researchers, policymakers, and users.
So our goal with eMERGE is really to develop a human-centric approach to artificial awareness. We want to combine it with ethical guidelines and a way to measure awareness in collective agents so that we can measure the impact on the human users in all their diversity.
We want to see how collaborative awareness will shape people's idea of what consists of responsible use of AI. And we want to see how collaborative AI technology can be used to identify the chain of responsibility in decisions that in the future we will make between human and AI.
eMERGE delivers, above all, a humanistic perspective to collective intelligence in AI, where technology works alongside us, creating more trustworthy and efficient systems. Join our community and stay in touch with recent developments in the eMERGE project.